In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to lock your header rows while scrolling here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to make sure that you can see the header row right here while you scroll up and down through your data, here's how you can do it. First, you can go to your view right here in the menu bar and select Freeze. On the right side, we have our options of no rows, 1 row, 2 rows, and up to row 1. What you're going to select if you want to freeze your first row here on your spreadsheet would be up to row 1 right here. If we click on this, there we have it. We've successfully frozen our first row, which is our header row right here. So now if I scroll all the way down through my data, my header row stays in place and I'm able to see and read my data properly. Let's try that with another method. So another way for you to freeze your row would be to actually go to this part right here. Once your cursor turns into this hand, just click on it, hold on, and drag it down to this first row right here. Release, and you've done the same thing of freezing your first or your header row right here. Again, if I scroll up and down, it stays in place and makes it easier for me to read my data. And there you have it. 2 easy ways on how you can lock your header rows while scrolling right here in Google Sheets. If you want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.